Hey guys, welcome back. This is Tim from Tim's Electronics Lab, and today we've got a new post back. I've received a total of 3 items, so yeah, let's open them. So its description says circuit board. I think I already know what circuit board it might be, and I'm hoping it is the circuit board I'm thinking it is. So let's check it out. Yeah, there you go. I've ordered an orange pie from Banggood because I thought it would be fun to check out this orange pie device. So let's open it. Very nice that it comes in a little box like this, because most of the times they're just packing it in this foam stuff and everything's damaged. Warnings. This product shall only be connected to an external power supply rated at 5 volts DC. Alright. Damn, it's tiny. Well, of course it is. It's called the Pi Zero, but I didn't expect it to be this tiny. Let's get it open like this. There you go. I think this is a Wi-Fi antenna. Oh, it's squeezed in between the USB port and the Ethernet jack. There you go. So this is the Orange Pi Zero. It features an all-winner Tech H2 Plus CPU. I thought it is a quad core. Not sure if it's 64 or 32 bits. 512 megs of memory. And I don't think it features flash memory. I believe it features gigabit Ethernet, so that might be very useful, and also Wi-Fi and Bluetooth as well, I think. No, it's not written on the little box. So yeah, loads of videos coming up with this one, because I'd like to test this little device and see what it's capable of. So yeah, orange pie, nice. Let's open the next one. Yeah, I think I know what. Yeah, there you go. So I've ordered alcohol pot, I think you may call it, for when I'm cleaning my PCBs. I've got an easy dispensing thingy for dispensing alcohol, Japan style. Not sure what this means, but hey. So, what's inside? Oh, it's inside this thing. Yeah, I thought it might be useful. So I can use some wool or something in order to clean the PCBs. It comes with a little cap. So I hope that the alcohol won't evaporate from it. Oh wait, can it be opened? Oh, it's not very straight, as you can see. It's let me see if I can bend it without breaking. Oh, that's better. That's a little better. Ooh. Oh, I hope this is working. Very excited about it. So let's open this one up. Oh, no, it's open. Like that. Oh, something fell out. A sticker. Alright. Product. Oh, whoa. You get a description. So this is for my new 3D printer. It's filament. It should be transparent. Orange. Alright. I think I ordered transparent, but hey. I got orange. Let me check that, because I do want transparent. So it's 1 kilograms of 1.57 or 1. So it's 1 kilograms of 175 millimeters PLA 3D filament, packed in a vacuum. As you can see. So not anymore. So this is for my upcoming 3D printer. It's already in the Netherlands, not delivered yet, but I'm expecting it to be delivered in the next week. So yeah, very exciting stuff. Let me check. Now this is yeah. Ooh. I need to be careful not to unspool the 3D printer filament spool thingy. So let's put it back. This is very exciting. It's as I said, it's 1 kilogram. It feels like 1 kilogram too. And I am going to check if I ordered orange. I don't think I did. So I might have to contact Banggood on this one. Yeah, I looked at Banggood and I did order orange, so that's it for the 3D printer filament. Yeah, so a brief overview. We've got the filament, the Orange by Zero Plus, and the alcohol dispenser thingy. I will just quickly show you how to get started with the Orange Pi, because I think this is pretty interesting actually. So let me switch to my computer and let's get started with the Orange Pi. And in the meantime I will explain what we need. So of course the Orange Pi Zero, a USB to serial adapter. This is needed because an operating system will run on this, and as you can see there are not very many display port video output things, so yeah, very important. And 5-volt micro USB adapter to power the Orange Pi. They recommend a minimum of 2 amperes, but I've got a 3 ampere version, so that should do. And the SD card is ready, so pull it out. I've got the SD card over here and insert it into the bottom of the board like this, and you will hear it click, and then yeah, it's in. And then let me check. So the logic is 3.3 volts, 3.3 volts. No. So the logic is 3.3 volts. So you need to set this adapter to 3.3 volts. And let me check if I've got another one, because the jumper is missing. Ooh. And I surely do have got another one, and let's immediately set the jumper. So 3.3 volts over here, set. And alright, so let's see, we've imaged the disk. Yeah, Ethernet. Alright, so you can use either Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and let me check which is the easiest. Yeah, alternative strategy. Alright, so yeah, there you go. This is the serial interface. This one over here. Those 3 pins are the serial interfaces. So let me get my jumper wires again. No, wrong ones. You will need female to female, as you can see. So let me plug it in like that. So the outmost one, the blue one, is ground. The purple one is the RX pin, and the gray one is the TX pin. So this is easy, ground to ground, of course. Go around. So that's one. Now the RX pin needs to go on the TX pin of the serial converter. So flip the two around and insert them onto the device. Now get yourself a USB cable for the serial converter, as I've got right here, and insert it into your computer. So there you go. Now the LED's on, so it should be connected. So let's go to the device manager and check which serial port we've got. So the COM4 port is used by my personal project, so that won't work. So we need to go and enter COM14. And is there any baud rate specified? Yeah, 115200. Alright, so click the open button. So while we're waiting for the update process to complete, brief overview of the device. This is the, you can't see that. This is the main CPU. It's a all-winner TEC H2 Plus ARM Cortex A7 quad core. It runs at 1.2 gigahertz. So yeah, that's very impressive. Over here we've got the debugging port, as we are using right now. It provides serial communication with the board. Next to it we've got the Ethernet port. It's 100 megabits per second, and it has got PoE support, power over Ethernet. I've used the Raspberry Pi before with a school project, and power over Ethernet functionality was nice to have, but on the Raspberry Pi it's not built in, and this one's turned off, but the web page says that it's built in and can be turned on. So that's very exciting in such a small package. Next to it we've got a USB 2.0 port, so you can plug things in. I'm not sure if this is a host port, so you can use it to connect your keyboard and mouse. I suppose it is, but not sure. Below that, 13-pin function interface. It contains audio jack, 2 more USB 2.0 connectors, connections, a TV out. I suppose that's an analog signal. I'm not sure if that's HDMI or a mini HDMI signal. You've also got a microphone. Not sure if it's stereo or mono. I'm guessing it's mono, but not sure again. And you've also got an IR receiver, so that might be handy if you want to use this as a media PC or a media player, some kind of very interesting thing. So, and the USB port over here, that's a USB on the go plus power supply port. Not sure if you can use it to plug USB sticks in it, but hey. And next to that we've got the 512 megabytes of DDR3 RAM from, well, it doesn't say actually, so yeah. We've got 2 LEDs. One of them is the power LED and one of them is the activity LED. And we've got a 26-pin expansion port at the top. So that is about it. I've noticed a tiny chip on the bottom over here. I think that's the SPI flash memory. but I'm not sure, and of course the micro USB interface. Have a nice day, and hope to see you next time very soon.